Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI.
I am currently pregnant for the second time, and this time around I wanted to get comfortable pants as soon as possible. This 2-pack of maternity joggers from AMPOSH has been so perfect. I basically live in these. I love the material they're made from. They are stretchy and thin, but not see-through. So that's great for layering. Where I am is a little bit chilly, so I like to wear a large sweater, but I hate being too hot. Also, I love that they have the cuff around the bottom because I'm a little short, so it makes sure that they're not too long. They are great to wear with a pajama top. They're super comfy, perfect for sleeping, and I love how stretchy they are without being constricting. And they also have pockets, which is amazing. I really love that they have full coverage. They come up nice and high. They don't ride down. The material feels so nice. I seriously live in these, whether I'm sitting having a cup of coffee or just staring outside, sometimes reading a book, watching TV, or if I need a little nap, I can wear these and I am super comfortable.
If you are pregnant, about to be, or know someone who is, I highly recommend these pants by AMPOSH. They are so comfortable. I basically live in them and I will be getting many more pairs. These are the most comfortable maternity pants that I have ever had, and they are so versatile and they have pockets. What's better than that? And that's my point of view.